The Māori graduates of the Massey Business School graduating in Auckland April 2020 are Bachelor of Business and Management of Ngāti Whātua, Raukawa, Larissa Anderson. Bachelor of Business and Management, Caitlin Ashdown. Bachelor of Business Management of Ngāti Hei, Waitaha, Ngai Tūhoe, Shavani Lemon. Bachelor of Business Management of Ngāti Whātua, Joanne Lynch. Bachelor of Business International Business of Ngāti Tū Wharetoa ki Taupo, Brooke Manunui. Bachelor of Business and Management of Ngāpuhi, Christopher Moon. Bachelor of Business Human Resource Management and Employment Relations of Raukawa, Kayla Neems. Bachelor of Business and Management of Ngāpuhi, Ngāti Wai, Ngāti Hine, Kylie Tana. Bachelor of Retail and Business Management of Ngāti Ranginui, Cade Wharepauri. Master of Advanced Leadership Practice with Distinction of Waikato, Ngāti Pāwa, Martin Bidwa. Master of Business Studies Management with Merit of Ngāpuhi, Waikato, Ngāti Porou, Ariel Rose Wetere. Bachelor of Accountancy of Ngāti Tū Wharetoa, Ashley Mariu. Diploma in Business Studies of Kaitahu, Rebecca Pozlak. Bachelor of Business Communication of Ngāpuhi, Jasmine McQuinn. Bachelor of Business in Marketing of Ngāpuhi, Isaac Rameka. Bachelor of Communication and Communication Management of Ngai Te Rangi, Ngāti Porou, Te Aitanga Mahaki, Ashley Keelan. Bachelor of Construction Quantity Surveying of Te Whānau Apanui, Tiria Campbell Posima. Bachelor of Construction Quantity Surveying of Ngāti Tū Wharetoa, Conrad Yesley. The Māori graduates of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, graduating in Auckland April 2020 are Bachelor of Speech and Language Therapy with Second Class Honours of Ngāpuhi, Ngāti Wai, Telisa Taungapeo. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Early Childhood of Ngāti Porou, Hinori Donald. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary of Ngāpuhi, Ngāti Kuri, Ngāti Pāwa, Talia Fong. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary of Ngāti Whātua, Ngāpuhi, Camilla Going. Graduate Diploma of Teaching, Primary of Ngāti Pikiao, Bronte Wata. Postgraduate Certificate in Educational and Developmental Psychology of Ngāpuhi, Ngāti Kuri, Te Rarawa, Rachel Coffin. Postgraduate Diploma in Specialist Teaching Autism Spectrum Disorder with Merit of Ngai Tūhoe, Janine Caulfield Bava. Postgraduate Diploma in Specialist Teaching Learning and Behaviour of Ngāpuhi, Marara Seguires. Postgraduate Diploma in Specialist Teaching in Autism Spectrum Disorder with Merit of Te Arawa, Ngāti Whakaue, Ngāti Rangi Te Aorere, Ngāti Uenuku Kōpako, Tainui, Ngāti Whākākia, Ngāti Kahungunu, Ngāti Pāhauera, Ngai Tūhoe, Amy Scott. Certificate of University Preparation of Tainui, Te Ati Haunui a Pāpārangi, Ngāti Tū Wharetoa, Te Awhina Hamahona. Bachelor of Arts in Sociology of Tainui, Madeline Jury. Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, no Taranaki, Ngāti Porou, Amy Flyger. Diploma in Arts Development Studies, no Whakatohea, Kelsey Papuni. Bachelor of Arts Education Geography, Adrian Davies. Bachelor of Arts Psychology of Te Atiawa, Ngāti Raukawa, Serena Feehan. Bachelor of Arts Security Studies, Helena May Stanley. Bachelor of Arts Education of Kaitahu, Amelia O'Malvina. Bachelor of Arts Geography, Michael Paul. Bachelor of Arts Psychology of Ngāpuhi, Ngāti Kahu, Gregory Ratcliffe. Bachelor of Arts Business Psychology of Ngāpuhi, Teresa Rhodes. Bachelor of Arts Education Social Anthropology of Ngāti Whakatū, Ngāti Hine, Jacqueline Smith. Bachelor of Arts Psychology, Kelly Stewart. Bachelor of Arts in English and Media Studies of Te Rarowa, Anthea Wade. Bachelor of Arts Geography of Kaitahu, Sky Walton. Bachelor of Arts Social Policy, Te Uri o Hau, Te Rarowa, Ngāti Kahu, Taiawhio Wati. Bachelor of Arts Psychology of Ngāpuhi, Megan Grace. Bachelor of Communication Media Studies of Ngāti Rangi, Eden Marcroft. Graduate Certificate in Arts Sociology of Kaitahu, Lorraine Knight. Master of Resource and Environmental Planning, Second Class Honours of Te Rarowa, Felicity King.